Hi, my name's Andy O'Neill, and I've got a quick tutorial video for you today. This one is about SmartyStreets, which is a great address verification API, and it's super simple to use. And I just wanted to walk you through that real quick. You can go to SmartyStreets.com and you can get a free account, which comes with, I think, 250 free verifications per month. So they have a free plan for a few, and then you can pay, and their paid plans are really reasonable. So I've used this quite a bit with one of my clients. So I'm over here and I just created a JSON file just so I can map some values here. Obviously, whatever it is your scenario is the data you're coming from. Maybe it's Google Sheets or your CRM where you want to verify the addresses. You're going to get your data from that. But I just threw it into a JSON module, for example here. As you can see, the HTTP module just uses a URL. And so we have some parameters here. Here's street, and I've mapped my street over from my first module there. We have a city, we have a state, and a zip code. We're just going to run this real quick. And you can see here's my values that I brought through here. And here is the data from SmartyStreets. So we got a status 200. That's good. That means everything worked. We're going to go down here and we're going to look at the data. So here's the delivery line. This is the last line. So this first part makes it really easy if you're doing address labels. So this is line 1. This is line 2 that has the city, state, zip in there. You notice it went ahead and did the +4 zip. The delivery point barcode, I want to make a comment about this. And again, this is a US Postal Service item. The delivery point barcode is unique per the address. So every address, and you can go to Wikipedia and look this up. This is where I learned about it. Every address has a unique barcode. So if you are in your CRM trying to dedupe addresses, this is a great way to do it. You can save this barcode and you can compare and see if more than one address have the same barcode. That means it's the same address. Then down here in the components, it splits up everything. So primary, street, the W for west, capital, avenue. Like this breaks out every single thing. The metadata, you can read up on this. Here's the carrier route, the congressional district, the type of property. This is a commercial property. This address is actually the state capital of Missouri. So that's a commercial property. Latitude, longitude, you can get zip +9s. Here's the time zone and the UTC offset. So there's a lot of data that comes back here. Daylight savings time, that is true because we observe that in Missouri. So there's a lot of data that you can come back here and you can then map to your CRM or map it back to your Google Sheets if you're doing labels or a mailing and want to clean up those addresses and really want to diminish the amount of returned addresses you get. So I hope this has been helpful. Comment below if you have any questions or thoughts, and thanks for watching.